So here, what's a single image or video? Now there's many different types of app. We're not going to get into it here. I'm gonna leave multi-advertiser ads checked. This is a cool new little feature within the Instagram feed that can show your ad next to other complementary advertisers. So an example is that I don't know if you're like a wedding planner. Someone could see your ad. Then an ad for a wedding caterer. Then an ad for a wedding DJ. Anyways, I'm going to add media here. And I actually already have this video uploaded. Here Facebook saying, hey, we have different formats. For the different formats, it's saying, you should be cropped like this. This video wasn't created to perfectly fit for stories and reels. So I'm not gonna do that. And then for the other options, in feed my original size is fine. I recommend doing a 45 ratio. Add that I showed you. Because it takes a lot of room on the real estate. It takes a lot of real estate space on the feeds, which is 1080 by 1080. I tend to see the best performance when you take up a little bit more room. I'll show you the specs for this, if you want to write it down. It is 1200 by 1500, which is also called a 45. Okay, cool, so coming back here. And if you want, you can play. I hit next and now it's saying, hey, we want to make some enhancement to the ad. Standard enhancements. Some of these things are just like, depending on someone's like phone. So generally. And then it could also show you some examples of those changes. Anyways, okay, cool.